Planning trip to Bali, but getting tired of same beach views? Try visiting the Bali Museum, the place you can learn history of the island, culture and tradition through the ancient artifact and meaningful ceremonial object. It's the perfect place to enjoy your vacation while learning something new. The Bali Museum is a legendary institution located on Jalan Mayor Wisnu, east of Puputan Badung Square and south of Pura Jagatnata. Officially opened on 8 December 1932 and managed by the Bali Museum Foundation, this museum spans 2,600 square meters and it is the oldest museum in Bali, paving the way for the establishment of other museums in the region. As an ethnographic museum, it houses and displays cultural artifacts from prehistoric times to the present, reflecting all elements of Balinese culture through its collection of archaeology, history, fine arts, and ethnography. The Bali Museum has 4 exhibition buildings, namely the East Building, the Buleleng Building, the Karangasem Building, and the Tabanan Building. The Karangasem Building is the main permanent exhibition hall of the Bali Museum, located in the central inner courtyard called Jeruan. This building was used for temporary exhibitions while also serving as a place to study items that would later become a part of the museum collection. Although it's called the Karangasem Building, this doesn't mean that the collection comes only from Karangasem Regency. Cultural objects from other regencies in Bali are also exhibited here. The name merely reflects the architectural characteristic of East Balinese art. The Karangasem Building at the Bali Museum houses collection related to the Panchayatnya, which is 5 sacred rituals, including religious ceremonial items, statues of deities, ancient artifacts, and beautifully carved Balinese door and windows that reflect the island's rich cultural and spiritual heritage. The primitive statues provide insight into the early stages of Balinese art, while the Sili ceramic and Sili figures symbolize traditional spirituality and fertility. The statue of Menbrayut shows important family values, and the songket clothes showcase the beauty of traditional Balinese textiles. Exploring the meaning of fertility for the Balinese people naturally leads to the symbol known as chili. A chili figure is traditionally depicted as a woman with a pointed face, a slightly whitened or tapered head, large earring known as subeng, a slim waist, and a lower body covered with a cloth so that the legs are not clearly visible. Such representation of the chili woman can be found in various ceremonial offerings used in Balinese Yatnya rituals such as sasap, penyeneng, sampian gantung, lama decorated with chili motifs, tutup sajen, gebogan, and salang. Lama and sampian gantung are essential components in Balinese Hindu ceremonies. A lama is a sheet-like decoration made from palm leaves that serve as a base for offerings and symbolize the universe, while a sampian gantung is made from young coconut leaves and hangs as both a decorative element and a protector against negative force. Completing the ritual, the two are often used together to complement one another. Gebogan is a traditional Balinese Hindu offering consisting of a tall, layered arrangement of fruits, cake, and flour stacked on a wooden tray, dulang, symbolizing gratitude and devotion to Ida Sang Hyang Widiwasa during religious ceremonies such as Piodalan or Galungan and Kuningan. Its upward tapering shape represents the sacred mountain, Mount Meru, believed to the dwelling place of the gods. From the Bali Museum, we can know that the meaningful ceremonial objects used in Balinese Hindu ceremonies that the feature with the represent of chili symbolize fertility, harmony, and prosperity.